Look how tall that one sunchoke has gotten this year. I tried to take a picture next to it, but look at that. It's crazy. And it should be getting ready to bloom. So if you don't know, these are sunchokes, also called Jerusalem artichokes. And they produce an edible tuber in the fall and beautiful sunflowers in the late summer, early fall, and they're just absolutely stunning. But this is actually a plant in my front yard because it is beautiful and aesthetic, and it is also edible. So there are ways for permaculture plants